Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use Looker Studio for students. Step by step, super beginner friendly, and updated for 2026. If you're a student working on projects, assignments, or data presentations and want something better than plain charts, Looker Studio is a great tool to learn. First, open Looker Studio in your browser and sign in using your Google account. Since most students already use Google tools, yeah, this part is really easy. From the home screen, click Create, then choose Report. This opens a blank report where you'll build your dashboard. Next, add your data. Click Add Data and choose a simple source like Google Sheets. This is perfect for student projects, surveys, or assignment data. Select your spreadsheet and click Add to Report. Make sure your first row has column names so the data works correctly. Now start visualizing. Click Add a Chart and choose something simple, like a table or bar chart. Looker Studio automatically fills in fields. You'll instantly see your data displayed. Try changing the dimension and metric to understand how charts work. For trends, add a line chart. This is useful for showing progress over time, like study results, attendance, or survey responses. Keep charts clear and easy to understand. Teachers really appreciate that. Next, add titles and text boxes to explain your charts. A short explanation makes your project more professional and easier to follow. To make it interactive, add a date range control or a simple filter. This lets viewers explore the data without changing the report itself. Once your report looks good, click View to preview it. Then click Share and give view access to your teacher or classmates. You can also download it as a PDF if needed. And that's how to use Looker Studio as a student in 2026. Simple, free, and very useful for learning data skills. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials.